Hi everyone. Today we are learning 40 essential English phrases. I will say the phrase, explain what it means, and then say the phrase again for you to practice. Let's begin. The phrases and meanings. How's it going? Meaning, how are you? How's it going? Long time no see. Meaning, I haven't seen you for a long time. Long time no see. What have you been up to? Meaning, what have you been doing lately? What have you been up to? Can't complain. Meaning, everything is fine. Can't complain. How do you know? Meaning, where did you get that information? How do you know? That's a good point. Meaning, that is a smart observation. That's a good point. I'll be with you in a minute. Meaning, please wait for a short time. I'll be with you in a minute. Sorry to bother you. Meaning, sorry for interrupting you. Sorry to bother you. Where were we? Meaning, what were we talking about before? Where were we? It's not the end of the world. Meaning, it is not a big disaster. It's not the end of the world. Let's get started. Meaning, let's begin the work. Let's get started. I'm on it. Meaning, I am working on it right now. I'm on it. Could you clarify that? Meaning, could you explain that more clearly? Could you clarify that? To be honest. Meaning, I'm telling you the truth. To be honest. I'll get back to you. Meaning, I will give you an answer later. I'll get back to you. Let's call it a day. Meaning, let's stop working for today. Let's call it a day. It's a piece of cake. Meaning, it is very easy. It's a piece of cake. Keep me in the loop. Meaning, keep me updated with the news. Keep me in the loop. I'm running a bit late. Meaning, I will arrive after the planned time. I'm running a bit late. Does that make sense? Meaning, do you understand what I said? Does that make sense? I'm not so sure about that. Meaning, I disagree politely. I'm not so sure about that. That sounds great. Meaning, that is a very good idea. That sounds great. I couldn't agree more. Meaning, I totally agree with you. I couldn't agree more. It's up to you. Meaning, you could decide. It's up to you. I am exhausted. Meaning, I am extremely tired. I am exhausted. Take your time. Meaning, no need to hurry. Take your time. I'll think about it. Meaning, I need time to decide. I'll think about it. It's worth a try. Meaning, it is a good idea to attempt it. It's worth a try. I changed my mind. Meaning, I have a new decision now. I changed my mind. No hard feelings. Meaning, I am not angry with you. No hard feelings. Better late than never. Meaning, it is better to do something late than not at all. Better late than never. So far, so good. Meaning, everything is fine until now. So far, so good. Keep it up. Meaning, continue doing a great job. Keep it up. Don't take it to heart. Meaning, don't let it upset you. Don't take it to heart. Break a leg. Meaning, good luck. Break a leg. Give me a hand. Meaning, please help me. Give me a hand. I'm tied up. Meaning, I'm very busy, gee. I'm tied up. Under the weather. Meaning, feeling slightly sick. Under the weather. Hang in there. Meaning, don't give up. Hang in there. Let's catch up soon. Meaning, let's meet and talk soon. Let's catch up soon. H. I'm looking forward to it. Meaning, I'm excited about a future event. I'm looking forward to it. Make yourself at home. Meaning, please feel comfortable in my house. Make yourself at home. It's on me. Meaning, I will pay the bill. It's on me. I'm not in the mood. Meaning, I don't feel like doing something right now. I'm not in the mood. It slipped my mind. Meaning, I forgot about it. It slipped my mind. How's work going? Meaning, Is everything okay at your job? How's work going? I'll keep that in mind. Meaning, I will remember your advice. I'll keep that in mind. Better safe than sorry. Meaning, it's better to be careful than to regret later. Better safe than sorry. Long story short, meaning to skip the details and get to the point. Long story short, could you do me a favor? Meaning, can you please help me with something? Could you do me a favor? I hope these phrases help you speak English more naturally. Repeat this video until you can say them without thinking. Subscribe for more. Bye for now.